Are you tired of buying fresh fruits and veggies only to find them spoiled after just a couple of days? Or maybe your leftovers never seem to stay fresh long enough? Well, what if I told you there are simple, affordable gadgets that can help you keep your food fresh for days, even weeks longer? In today's video, we're showing you the top Amazon kitchen gadgets that every home needs to keep food fresh, reduce waste, and save money. Stackable refrigerator bins. Want a fridge that looks like it belongs in a showroom? Stackable refrigerator bins make organizing effortless. Separate your veggies, fruits, snacks, and bottles all in neat, transparent compartments. No more digging through messy shelves. Maximize space, find everything faster. Silicone food storage bag. Upgrade your kitchen with these reusable silicone food storage bags. They're leak-proof, heat-safe, and perfect for storing everything from soups to snacks. Whether in the fridge, freezer, or microwave, they handle it all. Save money and ditch the plastic waste. Sealing clips. Stop folding your snack bags. Seal them the right way. These sealing clips are perfect for chips, cereals, or frozen foods. Just clip them on and lock in the freshness. No air, no moisture, no problem. Plus, they're super easy to reuse again and again. Anti-Oxidation Storage Box. Chopped your fruits and veggies early? Don't let them turn brown. This anti-oxidation box slows the oxygen exposure that causes spoilage. It's perfect for pre-cut salads, apples, or avocados. Store them safely and enjoy them fresh when you need them. Shelfy Fridge Purifier. Fridge smelling funky? Produce spoiling fast? The Shelfy Fridge Purifier uses natural filters to absorb bad odors and ethylene gas, the stuff that causes fast ripening. Just place it inside and let it work. Fresher food, better air, cleaner fridge. Food storage bags with lids. Need something more stable than plastic wrap? These food storage bags come with secure lids, making them perfect for stacking and storing leftovers or chopped ingredients. No spills, no mess, just fresh, organized food every time. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen tips. And let us know in the comments, which gadget is your favorite? Portable food storage container. Take your food on the go without the mess. This portable food storage container is leak-proof, compact, and comes with divided sections for organized meals. Perfect for school, office, or travel. Fresh food, anytime, anywhere. Plastic wrap. A kitchen classic, but still so useful. Plastic wrap is perfect for covering leftovers, wrapping sandwiches, or protecting cut produce. It seals tight and keeps food fresh longer. It's your go-to for quick, easy food storage. Savor Pod. Keep herbs fresh for up to 3 times longer with the Savor Pod. Just place your herbs in the pod with a little water, and they'll stay crisp and green for days. It's like a mini greenhouse in your fridge. No more wilted cilantro or parsley. Silicone stretch lids. Cover any bowl, jar, or even a watermelon. These silicone stretch lids stretch to fit various shapes and sizes, sealing in freshness without the need for plastic. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and super convenient. Just stretch and seal. Green Saver. Tired of throwing away spoiled fruits and veggies? The Green Saver is here to help. It absorbs excess moisture and reduces ethylene gas, which keeps your produce fresh for days longer. Just place it in your fridge drawer and forget about daily spoilage. Less waste, more savings. Smart and eco-friendly. Potato chip-shaped clips. Snack lovers rejoice. These potato chip-shaped clips don't just look fun, they work wonders. Clip them onto your opened chip bags to keep snacks crispy and fresh. A playful and practical touch to your pantry or snack shelf. Food huggers. Don't let half-cut fruits and vegetables go to waste. Food huggers are stretchable silicone covers that grip tightly onto cut lemons, cucumbers, onions, and more. They form an airtight seal, locking in freshness without needing plastic wrap. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and super easy to clean. Banana hanger. Bananas ripening too fast or turning brown? Use a banana hanger. Elevating bananas improves air circulation and prevents bruising, which means they stay yellow and fresh for longer. It's a simple, stylish way to keep your bananas in perfect condition every day. So that's it for today. These must-have kitchen gadgets will definitely help you stay organized and keep your food fresh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome kitchen ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.